Okay, let's solve another word problem. I told you in these word problems, usually they will ask you to solve for the vertex. Just find the vertex and that will answer a lot of the questions. Okay, so here, a water fountain at the city park shoots a stream of water vertically from the ground. The function, this one, which is a parabola, models the height of the stream of water in feet after X seconds. So, the important thing for you to do is to write down, okay, the equation. Write down the equation and then try to write what is x and what is y. Okay, so x now is not distance, it is time in seconds. Okay, and y represents the height at a given time in feet. Okay, so basically, okay, let's try to draw a sort of representation of this. So you have a fountain here and it shoots, and of course it will be in a parabola. As you could see in the other video, a water fountain always will be in the shape of a parabola. Okay, so they gave us the equation of the parabola, y equals negative. By the way, if it is negative, the coefficient of x squared is negative, that means this will be reflected. It's a reflection. Okay, so it's opening downwards. Okay, it's opening downwards. Okay, so this is our water fountain and it will go climb up, and after a while it will stop because of gravity and it will fall down in the shape of a parabola. Okay, what is the maximum height? You're always going to be asked that. Maximum height is usually the vertex. Okay, so let's just find the vertex of this. If you find your vertex, you will answer a lot of questions. So let's solve. X of vertex will be negative b, negative 16 over 2 times negative 8. So that will be 1. Remember, x is the time. So 1 second. Okay, it says here x is time. Let's solve for y. Then we will understand what this means. Okay, so how do you solve for y? You substitute 1 in the original. 1 squared plus 16 times 1, you're going to get 8. Okay, y is the height of the water. So that would be 8 feet. So what does it mean? If your vertex is 1 second, 8 feet, that means in 1 second, okay, you're going to reach the highest part of your parabola because your vertex is at 1/8. Okay, what does it mean? In 1 second, you're going to reach 8 feet, and that is the highest. Okay, so here we can answer some of the question. What is the maximum height of the stream of water? So we say the highest that it will reach is when it reaches the vertex, which is 8 feet. The next question says, at what time does the stream of water reach its maximum height? After 1 second, right? This is 1 second. Okay, letter C. For how many seconds does the stream of water appear above ground? If you are this particle of water, you will leave the ground, okay, and then you will travel 1 second. Of course, it's symmetrical. After 1 second, you're going to hit the ground. This will also be 1 second. So you are above the ground in a total of 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay, so here we answered 8 feet, 1 second. This will be 2 seconds. Okay. Identify a reasonable domain and range for this function. So what is a reasonable domain? So what are our possible values of x? Time is from 0 to 2 seconds. Okay, 0 by the time you leave the fountain head here and up to here. So that would be from 0 to 2 seconds is your domain. Your range, what is the range of the height, is from 0. What's the highest height is to 8. Okay, so this is how you solve these word problems here. Okay, study it and do your homework. Okay, so I'm just giving you 2 examples. Okay, this is our last video for the semester. Okay, bye.